Hello, educators. Welcome once again to training with AI teacher tools. So today I'm here to let you know that we have another tools that teachers actually complain they don't understand. So let me walk you through how you're going to use your lesson notes. Firstly, when you come online, you log on to AiTeacha.com. You scroll down to My Tools. There you're going to see all our tools. We have close to 40 plus tools on our app. Then you go to the lesson notes, click on the lesson notes. From here, you're going to pick on the topic you want to teach your students. Let's say you want to teach your students reproduction, which is in biology. From there, you go straight down to the subjects, biology. Click on biology. Then you select your grade. Obviously, this grade is from SS1 to SS3, but you in here we have grades, so you select the grade, which is grade 10, 11, or 12. Here we are going to use grade 10. Then you come down to the description. This description, it includes additional notes, guidelines, or special considerations that you want to give uh, app to work out for you. But if you don't have any, you can still leave it that way. You scroll down to the select country. Since we are in Nigeria, we're going to pick on Nigeria to work with because that's going to give us the curriculum of Nigeria. There you scroll down to curriculum focus. It should be learners integrated. It should be learner centered curriculum. Where you click on it, scroll down to the curriculum type. And most of the curriculum type we use in Nigeria is basically American Nigerian blended. And that's what we are using here. Now, coming down to previous knowledge, it basically means, does your students know about this topic? Have they learnt about it before, or they have zero knowledge about it? But since they know nothing about it, you'll just put it there. They have they don't have knowledge at all about this topic. Then after this, you scroll down to the last option there, and which is upload file. Here is basically if you have other files that you want to upload, like maybe a PDF file that you want to be imputed into the result that you'll be getting from AI teacher platform. But if you don't have anything or any file you want to upload, you don't have to worry. It is going to give you the basic standard Nigeria curriculum results. Now, after that, you click on submit. Then you go back up, you see AI teacher is typing. We're waiting for the submission response. So as you can see, we are having the results, and the result is very okay. We're seeing grade 10 biology lesson. Look at it, notes reproduction, because that's the topic we chose to work with. Then the curriculum is American Nigerian blended curriculum, learner centered, 45 minutes. That's what it's giving you. You can use 45 minutes to say or teach this in your class. And what we have here, like I told you there, that the previous lessons have no the lessons assume no prior knowledge on reproduction to the students that you're teaching. Then scroll down, you see the lesson objectives. It states by the end of the lesson, the students should be able to define reproduction, distinguish between two main types of reproduction, the sexual and asexual reproduction, describe various methods of asexual reproduction, understand the basics of sexual reproduction in human, and identify the advantages and disadvantages of both types of reproduction. Now let's go to the lesson outline. One thing about AI teachers tools is that it gives you the precise response that is going to help you teach all your students effectively. And I promise you, with this, your students will assimilate very well. Lesson outline, look at it. Introduction to reproduction, it gives you 5 minutes, the definition, the purpose, and how you're going to engage the class. Like the questions you're going to ask, what do you think, or why do you think living things need to reproduce? Questions like that to make the class more lively. And types of reproduction for 5 minutes or so. Scrolling down, you will see the asexual reproduction, the method of asexual reproduction in microorganisms and animals. Scroll down there, you get asexual reproduction in plants. All these are going to make your class more energetic, understandable, and your students will even love to always be in your class. Right here now is giving you a class activity. Draw and label diagrams of budding, hydra, and vegetative propagation methods. As you can see, you don't have much to do because it has already brought all your answers down for you. Basic concept, human reproductive system overview, the male reproductive, female, and how fertilization usually occurs. It gives the advantages and disadvantages of asexual and sexual reproduction that you have to use 5 minutes. Then coming down, you're going to see summary and recap. You have 3 minutes with that. Just give a recap of what you've taught them, the reproduction, how it is essential for life, the asexual reproduction, sexual reproduction. The both forms have rules in nature depending on environmental needs. Then you scroll down, you're going to see your class exercises and homework that you can give to them. And the sweetest part about this app is giving you the teaching aids and resources like the diagrams of hydra boarding, the flashcards of key terms, and whiteboard for diagram and explanations. So these are the teaching aids that our app is giving you to use to teach your students. Now, assignments, assessment questions, this to be used after lesson, which is very good also to know if your students really understand what you taught them. So with this, you can see everything is well placed out for you. You don't have to take much time explaining to students. You just have to give them the keywords and what they need to assimilate easily. After that, you can download this as a PDF. You can download it, print it out if you want to give it out to your students. And also, you can save it to your history, whereby you can later go on to check on it whenever you need it. And the last part is you can also edit with Zyra. Our Zyra is our EduBot that you can use it to edit. Maybe you want to add something to it or you want to take away something from it. So you can do that with Zyra EduBot. So with all this, you see, it's very easy to use our lesson notes. And I'm very sure by now you should have understand how to use it. Anything you don't understand, feel free. You can drop a comment in the section. I'm always here to answer you. And I will see you next time, whereby I will be doing another video on another tool. Take care. See you.